we are seeing the spirit of Antichrist. Abba said, Obedadan Crawford. And Obedadan Crawford. Na minye di na menka no kware na menjae wo na won ye won adwuma efise won so braso say so won ye won adwuma na wokubu akonta enti no obewura asofo bebrem institution kings and queens presidents so institutions religion enya asofo nkwa the Antichrist ruling the whole universe. Your Antichrist churches are, they know themselves, their unity, their society. And to walk on book now, you're so for now, they will trouble you, sir. This will become. That's why the spirit of Antichrist came to me.
So that you can join them.
Yes. Jehovah Witness, it's not God, it's occult. So many churches are from occult. She said, Roman.